This is the HR12 Narrow, a compact and manoeuvrable, self-propelled work platform from Niftylift. With the ability to be driven from the cage while elevated, it delivers an impressive working envelope from a narrow aisle, manoeuvrable chassis. The HR12N's compact dimensions make it ideal for working in a wide range of environments, but it's particularly well suited to industrial locations, such as factories and warehouses, where narrow aisle operation is required. Driven from the cage, it can be moved quickly from one location to the next. Efficient drive motors provide power and gradability, which, together with a compact turning circle, make manoeuvring easy, especially where ground space is restricted. Its impressively low overall weight means it can operate on different surfaces and helps to reduce running costs and emissions due to lower fuel consumption. This low weight, coupled with its compact dimensions, can also reduce transportation costs, as a smaller, more efficient site-to-site transport vehicle can be used. The HR12N's cage can accommodate 2 people and their tools. Fully proportional controls deliver smooth, measured operation, while a telescopic upper boom allows for precise positioning anywhere in its impressive working envelope. The HR12N is available with a number of power options, including battery, LPG, diesel, petrol and bi-energy, which combines the benefits of the electric and engine power options onto the same machine. The HR12N doesn't require outriggers, so it can be driven from one work position to the next in any boom position, saving time and improving efficiency during tasks. Operating the HR12N is easy. After selecting a power option with the cage control switch, simple to use, fully proportional levers control all boom movements. By simply raising or lowering the levers while pressing and holding the green power button or foot pedal, the operator can easily and accurately move each boom individually or together to position the cage. As well as the controls in the cage, there are also controls at the base. These provide a safety backup for the operator and also allow the booms to be raised from the ground for security or maintenance purposes when the machine is not in use. The user simply turns the key switch and hydraulic selector valve to the base position and then activates the levers in the same way as the cage controls. There is a red E-stop near every green power button on the machine. This allows the machine to be stopped quickly from either the base or the cage in the event of an emergency. Every Niftylift incorporates check valves on all hydraulic rams to ensure that, in the unlikely event of a hose failure, the machine will remain safely in position until the operator activates the controls. Fail-safe brakes ensure that the machine's base will not move unless under operation. And a tilt alarm sensor will notify the operator, preventing use if a slope greater than its safe operational limit is detected. The HR12N also features a manual hand pump at the base, which, when used in conjunction with the function controls, allows the machine to be safely lowered to the ground, even without main power. With maintenance-free pins and bushes, durable hydraulic hoses and only a few easy-to-access grease points to service, maintaining the HR12N is quick and simple. So that's the HeightRider 12 Narrow, designed specifically to provide maximum reach performance from the lightest, most compact base possible. Its narrow chassis is ideal for working in factories and warehouses, or anywhere that ground space is restricted.